All elements have a general properties, so different elements have different properties depending on what you need set up for them. For instance, drop-downs need to have a section to tell you what options will be available. But all of them share general properties, which are more generic things you can do to edit the element. To view general properties, click on Element Properties in the top-hand toolbar when your element is selected. This is a blue button with a cog. When you open this, all the different element properties will be displayed for this element, and somewhere in the middle will be general properties. The first thing you can do inside general properties is name your element so that any actions and events can affect it. The next thing is adding a link so that when this element is clicked, a user is taken to this link. Below this is the options whether this link will open in a new tab, which we recommend to stop users getting distracted, or if you want to pass on URL parameters for this link. Next up we have an internal link, so when clicked, rather than taking a user to a different URL, it will take them to a different point on the page. Each element has its own individual element ID, which is displayed here. And you can decide whether to show and hide effects on contained elements, so any elements contained by this one will be affected. And finally, you can add CSS classes. This is to allow custom CSS to affect different groups on your pages. At the bottom is the option to create a collection from the elements that you have selected, so you can save these and add to your page again later.